Okay guys, now we have notes completion. Whenever we talk about completion tasks, there are summary completion, notes completion, sentence completion, flowchart completion, and diagram completion. So these 5 are completion tasks, and the good thing is whenever we have completion tasks, questions and answers in the passage, they are in the same order. Once you find one answer, you read on and on and on, and you will find the answer. What's the title of the passage? Choosing the right format for your CV. It means they are going to talk about the format of the CV, right format. And can you see there are some words underlined: chronological, functional, achievement, and non-traditional. So you know the whole thing is about CV and the right format of your CV. And you know what CV is. Good. CV formats. And can you see very simple: chronological, and in the passage also chronological, functional, functional, achievement, achievement, and non-traditional. So now it's very easy for you to locate where the answers are. Okay. Now they have given notes. Notes are incomplete sentences which are usually given with bullet points. For example, over here you can see the dash. So with the dash they have given the notes. They are incomplete sentences, more like phrases. A sentence contains subject, verb, object, but notes do not contain that. You see the first note, very common. Is this a sentence? It's a note. Okay. Gives dash in most cases. Now what is it that chronological CV gives dash in most cases? Let's read chronological. First line. This is the traditional CV format and is extremely popular because it allows employers to see all the posts you have held in order. It provides flexibility. So for provides, the word is gives. So the answer is flexibility. And what is the word for in most cases? Good. In almost all circumstances. Right? Whenever you do reading, you have to identify these things. So this type of skill is important. Question number 22, perhaps inappropriate. Now chronological is perhaps inappropriate if there are periods where dash is not easy to explain. There are periods where dash is not easy to explain. Same paragraph, I'm reading it after it provides flexibility because it works in almost all circumstances. The exception being if you have blocks of unemployment. Now what is blocks? Periods. Blocks of unemployment that are difficult to account for. What is the word for account for? Easy to explain. And what is the word for difficult? Not easy. Okay, not easy to explain, difficult to account for, and the answer is unemployment. And the word for blocks is periods. So if you understand the replacement of the words before the blank and after the blank, then your answers will be right. And if you don't understand, then you will pick another word. Instead of writing unemployment, some will write account. If you don't understand. But if you understand, difficult to account for means not easy to explain, then your answer will never be wrong. Question number 23, functional. Appropriate for people. Now this is the second type of CV, functional. Appropriate for people who intend to follow a new dash. The word new is very good clue. A new dash in their career. A new dash in their career. For new they use the word different. For new they use the word another. For new they use the word updated. For new they use the word recent. So let's read second paragraph. The functional CV is designed to describe your key skills rather than the jobs you have. Second line, functional CV format is typically used by people who have extensive gaps in their employment history or have often changed jobs. It also suits those who want to go in a different direction. So they use the word it also suits. What is the word for suits? Appropriate. for people. It suits those. What is the word for people? Those who intend. What is the word for who intend? Who want to. Good. Follow. What is the word for follow? Go. Are new. And what is word for are new? Are different. Are new, are different, and answer is direction. And you will not write plural, directions. You will write singular direction. Okay? Got it now? Good. Let's go on. मुंह के जाविये सही रखने हैं, ठीक है? रीडिंग के मुताबिक मुंह उल्टा सीधा नहीं करना, मुंह नॉर्मल होना चाहिए. Yeah, let's go on. Question number 24. Then they said suits recent graduates can create functional CV can create dash in recruiters. Recruiters are employers. So it can create. The word create is very important. Now please come to this short paragraph in functional because this format, found it? मिल गया सबको? Because this format is often used to cover a patchy employment history, some interviewers are recruiters. Some interviewers may view such CVs with suspicion. See with suspicion means can create suspicion. And what is the word for interviewers? Recruiters. So answer is suspicion with the right spelling. Underline the words which are the answers and write question number over there so that when you go back home, you could repeat this test as well. Alright, next type is achievement. And there are 2 points. Now if there are 2 points, it means you need to read the second line. Question number 25. May be advisable if the person has no dash. For no, they use the word without. Or if you don't have. Or if you are without in the area. So achievement, let's read the second line. This can help show your suitability for a role if you lack. Now the word lack means if you have no, lack direct experience. Now some students will write answer as direct experience. That is the wrong answer. Why wrong? Because one word only, and some will write direct. And answer is also direct. Exactly. Because they don't understand. Many times students complain, sir, I reach the right portion of the passage. I find the answer, but I select the wrong word. So why you select the wrong word? Because you don't know the other words and the synonyms used for the other words. So answer is experience. And what is the word for no? Lack of. Question number 26, non-traditional, last one. Enables use of attractive. Underline the word attractive. Use of attractive. Okay, so let's read attractive dash to present data. Attractive dash to present data. Last paragraph. With the explosion of digital and creative industries over recent years, CV formats have become more and more imaginative. You can present information through graphics, which can be. Now, which can be means enables use of more visually engaging. Now, graphics which can be more visually engaging. What does it mean? Enables use of attractive. Answer is no. Answer is graphics. Well done. Wanted to catch the thief. So, it's actually graphics. Now, what's the word for attractive? More visually engaging. Okay, now try to understand. Attractive graphics and graphics which can be more visually engaging. After finding the answer, read both sentences. Sentence in the question and sentence in the passage. How are they different in wording but same in meaning? So the answer is graphics. Singular or plural? Plural, because in the passage it's plural. Suits applications for jobs in marketing or dash. Now one is marketing, it means another thing with marketing that comes there. Look for the word marketing. Second last line, however, a highly creative CV format is only really appropriate for creative and artistic sectors, such as those involving promoting products. What is marketing? Promoting products. Though it would also, now what is the word for and? It would also, well done. For and they have used the word also, work for the media too. So one is promoting products, marketing, and media is the right answer. Okay.